Awesome job, third graders. Look at you move right through this. Okay, step 9. So here's another place that I'm going to check in and make sure that you understand and need some extra support. You can definitely watch this video. Okay, so now you're getting to the part where you need to put all of your pre-writing, your plans, all together into one paragraph. Are you ready? Because I'm ready. So before this step, you have watched a video about writing a draft. So writing your draft is putting it all onto a piece of paper, or all typing it all out into one place. So in order to do that, you have to use your pre-writing, your introduction sentence, and you're going to smash it all together into one paragraph. Okay? So this is also part of your draft. We are going to talk a little bit about revising, so making it better, and editing, so correcting it. We do this on our grammar sheets in the morning. So let's just get started on helping you out. Okay, so I'm going to move down to step 10. So here's what it looks like. So step 10, writing your draft. You're going to write your draft. Make sure that you use your brainstorm map. So on the other sides for Monday and Tuesday, you're going to use your plan. So the sequence plan that you laid out earlier in the slides. You're going to use your introduction to write your draft. You're going to use the checklist next to you to make sure that you have done all of these things in your paragraph writing. So you can either copy and paste, or you can retype all of your plan and sentences out right here. And this is where you're going to type your story in your first draft about something that you're good at. How are you going to hook the reader? You have to add your 4 details, or some of you have done 2 details, so that's what you're going to do. If your story involves dialogue, you can include dialogue. Does your story make sense? Does it have an ending, a conclusion sentence? Did you use strong vocabulary? Did you use different transition words instead of first, then, next? Did you keep the reader's attention? And then last but not least, did you make sure that you checked your capitalization? Check your capitalization, understanding, and punctuation and spelling. So this is going to be your checklist to make sure that you've hit all of your parts for your draft. Good luck, and I cannot wait to read your first draft of your story. Awesome job today. Keep up the good work, and I will keep posting more. And I can't wait to see you guys again. All right, I'll talk to you soon. Good luck.